yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first.
Bye, Sonia.
Hi guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. Welcome to another vlog. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine. Hope you guys are good. So it's Sunday morning and we're all dressed to go to church. If this is the first time tuning in, do not subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly do not forget to share. So yes, this is how I am looking. This is my outfit for today. I'm wearing this boo gown. Is it boo gown or boo? I don't even know what they call it. Can you see? That's the actually into the lens. Yes. I'm wearing this boo gown with this my black heels. And then this my bag, then this my, I don't know, just everything that you guys are seeing here. Anyways, let me know how I'm looking in the comment section. So guys, we'll see you guys when we come back to church. Okay, let me show you what my baby is wearing then. I'll let you know when we come back to church. Yeah, let's go. That's my, so this is what my baby girl is wearing. Can you guys see? This is madam. Anyways, you guys should let us know how she's looking also in the comment section. Yeah.
Now we're done. At least I can
giving offering. Hello. So to avoid that stress, you can make your transaction, your transfer directly to the second account with the account name Hope Breeze, not direct. Without not running from pillar to post and it will be done.
We just closed from church and we are heading back to the house. Madam, say hi. Hi guys, this one is arranging her bag. Anyways, when we get to the house, you're gonna see you guys, okay? Hi guys, good morning. So this morning guys, we are stepping out. We are going to MTN office. When I said MTN office, hi guys. It's automatically where you can fix phones, where you can buy phones, where you can do a lot. So my phone is bad, the charging port is bad, which is my Techno phone. So I want to go and look for a Techno phone, and her own phone, the screen is bad. So I want to find a way whereby we can actually fix the screen. So the two phones are already here. Anyways, I'm going to be carrying you guys along, okay? So just enjoy the rest of this vlog. Good morning. Peace once again. Peace out. So guys, I want to get egg roll. 2 egg roll. Who finished 2? Just give me 1. Give me this one that is crumbsy. This one? This up one. No, that one that is close to yes. Welcome. guys, right now I'm in MTN office and I'm here to fix my phone and possibly do other things, okay?
Okay. I will put WhatsApp for you. I will put Facebook for you. Then I'll put.
Hi guys. So hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. Mic on check. Okay, the stuff is still showing. So anyways, we are back. I've eaten, I've showered, and I'm already on my 90s. I just have to cover my body with this one so that you guys anyways, Didi, let me see your phone. We have to fix Didi's phone. Little Vibe is gonna open a channel soon. Yay! So you guys should please subscribe to my baby's channel. So she's gonna be answering Little Vibe. So this is her phone. We did everything and everything is looking beautiful. And then my phone is already working. My Techno phone is working already, which is this one. So yeah, shop for this. Just few things anyways. So most of the things are just our petty things that we don't have again. So we have to buy this dry comforts. Nivea, I really love Nivea. Add for ladies sanitaries. We have to buy our bathing soap, Dudu Oshun, so we got 2. It's for Didi, which is for Little Vibe. Then I got this for myself. Yes, I was using pink before, so Didi said I should try the red one. I got this gum. I think I'll be trying this gum. I've never tried this gum before. Let me try it. They say this one cotton gum. Says like cotton, so I think I'll even try it. Let me see. I've not tried it before. So they say once you cut the what's this one? You're not eating everything, no? Are you cut? Okay, this is how it is inside. Okay, it's like cotton, no? Are you serious?
Yes, it is. To be as if you want to know, then start chewing it. You like it?
See, guys.
Let me see.
Don't pour my tripod. Baby, it's nice though, and it's very soft. Baby, would you love to try? This is it. Give it. Let me try. Let me try. See, this is for baby, my boo boo, hot passion, and then we got this Tony Montana. So, but I prefer this hot passion. So, I'll be going for this, and Didi will be going for this, okay? Can you imagine? He said he'll bring shit in here. Right? See, guys, this is very sharp. I'll be going for this gum more. Seriously. I'll be buying some packs. I love it. I love it. It's very soft. This one will expire when? This one will expire 2025. Anyways, let me know if in the comment section if you've tried this cotton gum before.
2,000 years later.
So hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. Anyway, so I went out this morning and I was supposed to vlog actually, but I don't even know what happened that I did not vlog. Probably I don't know, I can't just lie, okay? Anyways, how you guys doing? So this is me back, okay? And I just finished filming a video. I didn't go out with this makeup okay? I came back to the house, did my makeup because I have 1 or 2 videos I'm going to film, because this is a new era for me, era of looking good before filming. And yes, so I got some things from the supermarket, so let me just hurriedly show you guys and let's move to the next series of this video. So I got this Nivea 5-in-1 muscular water face eyes to lift, I don't know, this muscular water for makeup remover and every other stuff that I want to be using it for. Then I got this as well, this cosmetic pad. I got 1 of it, okay? So that's it. Then I got this cotton bubble gums. You guys can see, I don't know if you guys can see it very well here. Sonu inauni. Yakaswa. Sonu. So I got this cotton bubble gums. This is it. I got 1 full pack. And inside here is 6. My madam just opened it because I know she wants to start chewing one. Oh yeah, open and chew. So we have 6 packs inside. 2 of this Dudu Ocean soap. I got 2 of it, and this is how it's. I was going to buy what they call it. I was going to buy bio oil. I didn't know that. I ended up buying bio oil soap. Sunscreen. I got sunscreen. I got the Jovia sunblock and brightening cream. You guys can see this like this. Nivea Even and Perfect and Radiant Even Tone 3-in-1 cleanser, wash, scrub and max. This one is for my face, okay? So all of this I spent 25,700 naira for all of these. So I decided to like unbox with you guys, okay? I'm taking skincare routine very serious because I want to be doing skincare video. Anyways, that's what I decided to show you guys. What do you guys think? Which one have you used? How's my makeup giving? Let me know in the comment section, okay? So let me take my tripod stand inside and enjoy the rest of this vlog. Okay, I still got this. I will show you guys.